This is definitely going to be a campsite favourite. Oh yes. G'day guys, today we are attacking a recipe sent in from Amy, the good old fashioned Cob Loaf. Now the beauty about the Cob Loaf, she reckons, is you can prepare all the ingredients at home so they're ready to rock and roll when you're out and about. You got your Cob Loaf bread, your vegetable simmer soup, sour cream, chopped bacon, spring onion, frozen spinach, and some grated cheese. First things first, let's get stuck into the bacon. So the bacon's cooked, it's just cooling down. What we're gonna do now is add everything into a bowl. So sour cream, I'm gonna put the whole one in there. Your vegetable soup mix, spring onions, your frozen spinach, last of all, and the main ingredient, cheese. Now, mix that all together. Keep in mind we are gonna add the bacon to this mix as well. That's looking really nice. Now time to attack our Cob Loaf. So you want to make a bit of a lid, cut yourself a nice large circle around the top. Don't cut through it because you're going to need this. Okay, lid comes off. Now you want to pull out some of the insides, but don't throw them away because we're going to use those soon. Now guys, that's where we're at so far. You're going to have to use the iometer on this one. Gauge how much filling you got to how much stuffing you take out. Now that bacon should be nice and cool now. We'll grab it and add it to this mixture. Whole lot. You never have too much bacon. And give that a stir through as well. That's really starting to come together nicely. That's gonna go a treat inside this cob. Righto, all mixed up, add it to your Cob Loaf. Hopefully you've got the just right amount out there and it fits in perfectly. Lid back on. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this whole thing in the camp oven and we're gonna strategically place the little bits of bread we've taken out around it. They're gonna get nice and toasty. We can use them for dipping later. Let's get it in. How good does that look, guys? I've just let it cool down a little bit because it was pretty hot. But you've got all these crispy little bits of bread here that you can use to dip in. Now, moment of truth. Let's crack the lid. Oh yes. This is definitely going to be a campsite favourite. Give it a crack, guys. Enjoy. That's amazing.